Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unlock trading marketplace in Dark and Darker. To do this, first you will need to click on the trade, then select become a trader, and there's a few requirements that you need to make. First is to have at least a level 20 on your character that you want to trade with. Then you will need to pay initiation fee of 25 gold. Then there's the monthly dues, it's set to 0 at the current time that I'm recording. Then there's a cost per trade, that means you will need to pay 15 gold for each transaction. And last thing is a squire status and legendary status. When you have a squire status, you can only buy items from the marketplace. When you have legendary status, you can buy and sell items on the marketplace and also access the trading post. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.